You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and now we're bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'm going to show you two important key levels to look at for 2022 on Bitcoin price and ETH price. So watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Right on this very chart on BTC, if you look at this level, I've been looking at this level for the past weeks and I said that this very resistance level right here, we have resistance at this point and we have a false breakout here, so we have resistance right here as well, and then the market come right down to this very strong support level. So we have a support here, we have support here, we have support here, and we have support right here, and then we have another support at this point again. All right, so what I am looking out for right now, if you look at this chart, you see the market come back right from this area down, then this formation that look like a channel at this area come back down into this area. So what we are seeing right at this point is a bearish rectangle. A bearish rectangle in the downtrend is a continuation pattern to the downside. So right now, what you should expect and the two levels you should be looking out for in 2022 on BTC price is these two levels. This very level here, if markets come back up from this area to this level and break out on this level, then that means market is going to go up. Okay, so I'm looking at markets breaking this very strong resistance level right here for market to move up, and the first target is 56k and 57k level at this point. And then if markets break down, that is below this support level on this very line, then that means market is going to come back down, and the target of this very breakout is this level right here of 41 and 42k level. Okay, so that is what you should be looking out for on the long time on BTC price. Now on the immediate short time, this is what I am expecting in the next 1 or 2 days. So if you look at this very area right here, markets come back down into this area, then consolidate within this area, and then come back right in to this very strong support level. So right now on the immediate short term, I'm looking at the market breaking this very level right here. So you see a very short trend line here. If markets break this trend line at this point, then I am expecting the market to ride up a little bit into this level of 50 and 51k level around this zone. That is this very zone right here. Okay, so that is what I am expecting on the immediate short time. A breakout on this very resistance line will make the market to move up into this level. But on the long time, I'm looking out for a breakout on this resistance level, market will go up. If we see the market break down with a bearish close on this support level right here, then that means market is going to go down to this level of 41 and 42k level. So that is what I am looking out for on BTC price. These two key levels are very important and you should watch out for it in 2022. ETH USDT here, if you look at this very price action, if you discover this area was the level we were looking out for the market to break before we take a trade on ETH, but the market never break this level. Reason why, this was a very strong resistance level. This resistance here, you see another resistance here, and then resistance right there, and then we have another resistance right here. So I talk about this very trend line, that if the market obey this trend line and we see a breakout, then that means market is going to go far way up into this our first target. And then if we see a breakdown below this very trend line, this support line right here, then that means market is going to come down. So as the breakout occur right here, the market come back down into this support level. So if you can see right now, market is on this very strong support level at this area. This was the support level we were looking out for a very long time now. So right now on the immediate short term, I am looking out for the market to move slightly to the upside before a breakout. So this breakout that I am still expecting on this resistance level can take a couple of days or weeks before it can actually happen. And then if you see the market break down with a bearish close on this support level at this point, then that means market is going to go right down to this very level of 2.7k and 2.8k level. Okay, so a breakdown on this level will make the market come back right down to this area. What I am looking out for on the immediate short term is the market to rise a little bit into this area before we see a breakout. And like I said earlier, this breakout may take a couple of days or weeks before we can actually see it. The same thing to this area as well. So these are the two important levels you should look out for on ETH USDT right now as we move into 2022. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe and also check the channel for other educational and informative content. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.